Hello everyone, I'm Noah, and today I will introduce the material composition of GMT pallet to you. First, the main material of the GMT pallet is fiberglass, which is superimposed in 3 dimensions in the GMT pallet, thus enhancing the rigidity and toughness of the GMT pallet. Glass fiber is a thermoplastic material that is not subject to temperature, and moreover, GMT pallets are added with varying proportions of glass fiber and with common fiber ratios ranging from 10% to 90%. And of course, we can also customize the scale and size to your needs. And now, looking at the sample in my hand, you can see this piece is whiter than this because it has glass fiber in it. And the white part is GMT pallet, is fiberglass. And of course, a more white part means the higher proportion of the glass fiber. If you are interested about our products, please follow our channel and contact with us.